Hi, I'm Keith Chambers. I'm the Director for Operations Management Software at AVEVA. Traditionally, MES systems have been very site-centric. As such, they've been very focused on the particulars of that particular or specific operation and very customized. So Model-Driven MES takes a different approach. Model-Driven is really all about a process-centric view focused on what it is the site and the people at the site are actually doing, digitalizing that work, digitalizing the collaboration between the parties, as opposed to trying to build something that's a very specific implementation around what happens in a simple or single site. We've been doing MES for many, many years, so a lot of those benefits that we can bring to a site are kind of already pretty well known, improving performance, improving quality, faster, better, cheaper, all of those kind of benefits will be there. But what Model-Driven brings above and beyond that starts to come when you look at this as a multi-site problem. So as companies look to do a digital transformation, it's not about changing what they do at one site or another site, it's changing how they run their business. So now we can not only kind of duplicate the procedures and processes between plants using Model-Driven, but we can also govern what those are and control how they're deployed and rolled out. The other thing you can do with Model-Driven as we roll it out across multiple plants is you can start to get a consistent set of KPIs and scorecards across the business. So the way I like to put it is that our customers really aren't buying what we're selling. What our customers are buying is some kind of business outcomes. Really, that's the difference, and digital transformation is all around people, processes, and technologies, and that's what we bring together for our customers.